Hey guys, Ellis here and welcome to episode number 4 in the My Loop series. It's been a while, but I've been busy making my album and working on my own tracks, doing some mixed compilations, just the general stuff of a DJ and a producer. So yeah, finally found time to do the next one in the series, and the first one we did was a starting template, and then we did the structure. The third one was all about groove and getting the groove going, and now we're going to have a look at atmosphere. So the whole idea behind these sessions is basically over the next 12 months, or it will have been 12 months by the time these sessions are finished, is to just give you guys a general overview of making trance. So yeah, I always find that atmosphere is extremely important when it comes to starting a track. Now there's a couple of things in here we've not gone over really, and that is mid bass and effects. I don't think we've done effects yet, but yeah, today we're going to look at atmosphere, and to do that I've had to build up just a very basic intro. So there's actually nothing on this acid bus. It's just a fairly standard acid template, acid MIDI that I imported from a pack, and then there's a couple of crashes and effects. I'll just play this. Oh, there's a bass line as well. Again, nothing too crazy, just so it just gives us a bit of a basis to work from. Generally, when you're doing your atmosphere, you should have the kick and a bass in, otherwise it's going to be very hard to try and find an atmosphere that works. And then we've just got a couple of effects in. I'll probably look at effects in a different session and really go over effects and how I do everything. But